Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, GV Envisions. And for today's video, I will be discussing about the basic commands in D5 Render. So if you are new to D5 Render or new to rendering, this video is for you. Are you ready? Let's get started. First is let's open our D5 Render. If you haven't downloaded D5 yet, you can download to the link in the description below. You can download D5 Render for free. Next is upon clicking the D5 Render, you can see here the window, you have your new Open, Recent, Workflow, and Explore. So there are demo scenes here na pwede mong i-click, which is pwede mo siyang makikita mo kung paano ang pag-design sa D5 Render. So for example is, try natin i-open tong Residence Loan. So this is an example of a demo scene here in D5 Render. So makikita mo na complete na ang kanyang design. At yung grass effect niya is very realistic. At the same time, meron tayong mga lighting effect at marami pa. Okay, so here you can also create scenes and enhance this design. So yun ang example ng demo scenes. So marami bang examples ng demo scenes na available dito sa D5 Render na pwede mong ma-explore. So punta na tayo dito sa Open. So the first one is New. You can open a blank workspace here in D5 by clicking the New. Alright, so ito ang workspace mo sa D5 Render. If gusto mo naman mag-open ng mga file dito such as SketchUp file, you can do it by clicking the menu here in the upper left side. Click mo lang yung menu, tapos File, tapos Open. Or pwede din naman na shortcut key na Control O. So click mo lang yan, tapos hanapin mo yung file na gusto mong i-import. Alright, so ito yung file ko sa SketchUp na gusto kong i-enhance dito sa D5 Render. So, ganyan na siya kadali i-import dito sa SketchUp. Next naman is yung navigation niya. So, yung navigation niya is pwede mo siyang maklik dito sa upper right side. So, meron kang orbit, fly, at walk. So, yung orbit is ganito lang. However, pag iniset mo siya sa fly, pwede mo siyang ma-manipulate. So, pwede kang para ka naglalaro ng mga 3D games. Next is pwede naman siya walk na para ka lang naglalakad. So, mean to say, pag para ka naglalakad, hindi ka basta-basta nakakapasok o nakakatagos sa mga walls niya. So, for me, I'm comfortable by doing fly. Or you can also have Alt-V as its shortcut key. So, let's go now to the basic commands in D5 Render. So, yung basic commands dito is para ka lang naglalaro ng computer game. So, first is, hold mo yung A sa yung keyboard, that is, move to the left. Then, hold your D in your keyboard, that is move to the right. Then, if you hold W in your keyboard, that is moving forward. Tapos, if you hold S sa yung keyboard, that is move backward. So, yun yung mga basic niya na mga commands para makaroon ka ng left, right, front, back na movement. Then, you can also press E to move downwards and press Q or hold Q to move upward. Yung mouse mo naman, yung mouse to mo, hold mo lang yan. Tapos yan ang magsisilbi mong camera. So, kaya niya man-navigate sa kahit saang mga anggulo pa. So, para ka lang talaga naglalaro ng computer game ito. Next is if you want to have the command faster, example, you want to move forward faster, hold mo lang yung W, then hold also your shift. So, W tapos shift, kikita mo na bumibilis. So, any command, just hold the shift in your keyboard para mas mabilis yung pag-execute mo ng command. Dito naman sa right side, makikita mo dito yung environment. Dito sa GN Sky, you can adjust the time here in your D5 Render. So, you can also set to night time or you can also have it the early morning. Next, dito naman sa custom sun, pwede mo namang ma-set up yung sun mo na sunlight intensity, sun disk radius at iba pa. Dito naman sa cloud is kung nakikita mo, mayroong mga tumatakbo ang kanyang clouds dito. So, you can just turn it off if you don't want to. However, if gusto mo naman, you can also have the speed. You can adjust the speed. Pwede mo siyang hinaan. Pwede mo rin siyang bilisan. You can also have here the amount, thickness, and many more. Meron din tayong fog, wind, and precipitation. So, for exporting image, dito naman sa upper right side, meron tayong makikita na image. So, dito natin magagawa yung pag-export natin ng image. Dito naman sa katabi niya is the video. Dito mo naman makikita kung paano siya i-export into video. Dito naman sa left side is meron tayong new scene list. So, dito ka pwede mag-create ng mga scenes or yung mga angle ng mga views na gusto mo. Meron naman din naman tayo dito na layer. And dito naman is object and imported. So, itong mga commands na ito, i-discuss natin sa separated video. So, ngayon is discuss na muna natin yung mga basic commands here sa D5 Render. So, if you want to know more about D5 Render, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, GVN Visions. So, meron din akong TikTok videos. Paki-follow din po ako as well as sa aking Facebook na page. So, maraming salamat po. See you on my next video.